All right, today we have a bit of a haul here. So normally this would be more of an unboxing. However, I already filmed it as an unboxing, but something went wrong with the footage. So we're just going to re-film it. But normally I would be opening this up out of the box to show you that. This is her box subscription. I got the common planner subscription and I got all the additions with it. So it's about, I want to say a $55 box, and you get quite a bit with it. So that's what all of this is. In addition to that, I do have her washi of the month. I think it's called Washi Club subscription, which runs about $15 and you get 3 washis on it. And this is what that is. So let's do that one actually first. So these are the 3 washis that we get. There's always, I would say about a 15, like the normal, I want to say it's 15 millimeter size washi, and it's foiled. The foil color on this one, so it's a gold, but it's more of a, like a hot gold, more of a coppery gold than like a light gold, if that makes sense. So it's super pretty and it contrasts really nicely with the washi tape, which her washi tapes are really nice washi tapes. I like how they tear. They're really durable. They're easy to move around and stuff. And they don't have that plasticky feel that you get with some washi tapes. So that's your foiled version. And then you get this little one, which I adore that she did this size. So I don't know if this is a 5 or a 3, but you get a dark purple with some florals on there that match. And it's so pretty. And I'll show you swatches of these in just a minute. And then the last one we have is actually a larger washi. So the sizes tend to vary in the Washi of the Month Club. So you usually get one that's this size, and that's usually the size of the foiled one. And then the other ones are a little bit more varied. But we get this nice larger one this month, and it's kind of an ivory white type background, and it looks like a field of flowers. It's so pretty. I just love it. And I think this is going to be the perfect size if you are using a Hobonichi cousin to put down at the bottom for a decorative washi on those daily pages to block out the quote. So the other thing I will mention about these 3 washis, so if you get them in the club, they're $15 a month with your subscription. They do come to the shop. When they come to the shop, it's $20 for the 3 of them. The other thing that she does is she makes a kit that'll come to the shop that'll coordinate with these washis, and it is different than the subscription box washis. I thought that they were the same originally, and so I didn't sign up for this one because I was like, oh, it's, the same washi, but they are actually different. And I believe she designs them herself. So that is a really cool combination and really useful for these smaller planners, especially with a smaller size. So let me show you those all swatched out. Really, really pretty. And just, you can really see how this one has like a slightly like purple in the background. And this one's more of a white background. And I think the variety of colors is going to work really well. They coordinate amazing together. That's the Washi Club. And then you have the normal subscription. Now she has a bunch of different subscriptions, and you can actually get what's called a mega box and combine different subscriptions. But the essentials are all kind of basically the same, just sized for different planners. So you'll get some washi, and then you get like the base kit. Along with the base kit, which I have done for this, you can add on a journaling kit, a monthly kit, and a daily kit. I was like, there's another one here. It might depend on the planner. Like, I don't know if you can get a daily kit if you're getting a 7x9 planner, because I don't know many of those that have daily pages. But you'll have to look. So I just decided to get everything and figure out what do I use the most of, and kind of pare down from there. So the first thing I'm going to show you is the 2 washis that came with this month. Hold on, let me find the end. So we have this, it's kind of a really light pink or maybe white for the background of this one. And just some really nice spring flowers. I like the pink. I think that would go well if you wanted to use it in February and kind of have that romantic feel, or save it until spring. Either way, her kits are more universal, and you'll see that in a second, where you have the choice of when you're going to use it. So we have the floral one, and then we have a striped one. Now, I will say that the striped ones are not always my favorite because there is a lot of colors in there, but they coordinate really well with the kit and they're easy to pull in. So I prefer a floral, but it's really nice to have some basic designs too. So if you're doing layering or anything like that, it doesn't get too overwhelming or too busy, because you can't really layer two florals together and have it look the same way. So those are your two washies. So this one's probably the traditional, I think it's 15, and this is maybe this one's a 5 and that one's a 3. But here they are swatched out. So they turned out really nice, honestly, and they coordinate so well together. And you'll see how they really coordinate with this kit that she designed. So I get the Common Planner A5, both with daily and monthly, and a clear journaling kit. So I'm pretty sure this is the weekly view page. It says WK at the top. So we get all of the numbers here. So you can pick any day that you want in that nice light green. And then we have a slightly darker green for our strips for the days of the week. This is very similar to what you get in the Hobonichi Cousin Kit. You get all of these checklists. You get this little box here, which covers over like the date at the top. You have a bigger box. This can go over your calendar if you wanted to. These are really nice for layering. I think this last week, I actually layered on a Periodalco Girl to give it more dimension, but you can layer other things on here, be it decorative or functional. And then you get some square boxes down here, a half box here, and this one's probably a third box, and then the rest of these are probably hourlies. And then you have a long 7 checklist, and I love that we have the varying color. I think it looks really nice rather than just having one color all the way down. And then we also have a Monday through Sunday, which is great for menu planning or if you have a posting schedule or something like that. And these boxes have like a light green in the background, and this is more of a cream color. So, and we also have a dot over here that you can use for a bullet point. I think there's more on the next page of those. So we get dots. I love her dots. They work really, really well, and they're sized nicely. So you can use them in a lot of different ways. So we get a few more of those hourly boxes. Some more of, I think these are the half boxes. Yeah, like the half of this square. And then more of the third boxes. And then you get washi strips. So you have 3 different sizes, and these are different than the washi that you get. So you have even more variety. So you get that larger strip, you get a smaller strip. This one has a light green in the background, and then a solid color, which happens to be our pink with white stripes. And those are dotted lines in case you can't see. So really cute. So when you're getting a weekly kit, this is what you get, which is really nice. This is not all you get when you do the subscription because she has all the add-ons. And then you get a deco page. This is really nice. And you get all of these florals this month. The only thing that I kind of wish is that I could go in and buy more of these florals, because sometimes I want more of whatever deco she's sending than what's just on this page. That's something I'm going to bring up to her, since in case you guys didn't know, I am on her PR team. Unfortunately, my PR code does not work on subscription boxes, but if you're buying other stuff from her, you can use just 10 to get 10% off. So let's go over all of the additions. I'm not sure if you get both of those, but you do get these circle icons with every kit. Those are really cute. And she has so many of them. So you get 7 of the forks and spoons. So if you're doing a full week and you're planning out all your dinners and you want to have them at the bottom, that's a really easy way to do it. You even have church and watering plants. The exclamation points and the hearts are good for universal things. You have things like your house and laundry and cleaning. You even have music notes, which I love because I don't know any other kit that has music notes. And with kids and choir and band and just general musically oriented things, It's nice to have those to mark in my calendar. We also get 4 cars, which is amazing. We have little coffee cups, mail, TVs, or maybe they're computers. I'm not sure. I think you could use them for both. Little planners, a book for reading. Like she really thinks out everything. You even have little crock pots, which I think are amazing. So you get all those circle icons. You get the full box add-on, which gives you 4 full boxes, all of these little circles at the top, and then some more checklist. I think the only thing that I don't use, like when I'm doing my spread, I may not use all of the checklists she includes, but that's about it. But that being said, you can use the checklist for more than just checklist. You can put them together and kind of make a really thin washi strip. There's a lot of other uses you can have for them. You can cut them apart if you want to, so many things. So you get that page. And then I think you get both of these, but I'm not 100% positive. This one has all of your monthly scripts and coordinating colors. And these are the nice smaller ones that you can put on your weekly. You get more dots. I love all the dots, honestly. And then you get 2 sets of Monday through Sundays this month. Or I guess there's 2 this month, and that's it on this page. I like the script she uses as well. And then there's this page, which has, again, your Monday through Sunday. So you're getting yet another version of that. The Hello Weekend, the this week, next week, important meals, to-dos, and then your 1 through 31 and a little asterisk there. Now these dots are not circle cut, they're square cut. So it kind of gives you more variety there. Sorry, these were misplaced in there. These are the other add-ons that you'll get with that base kit. So you get a tracker add-on. This has 7 water trackers, a sleep tracker, which I love how she does these sleep trackers with the Monday through Sunday down here, and your numbers up to 10 here on the side. And the graph makes it really easy to draw between them and really see how it turns out. Then we get 7 habit trackers as well in coordinating colors. We also get her functional icon scripts where you have the script attached to an icon. So like for Happy Meal, we have the stickers attached to it. You have the MLP order. We have coffee time, meal time, cleaning day, like all the little things that we use on such a constant basis. I even love that she has a lunch date instead of date night, because I've been starting to do lunch dates with my husband. It just works out better for our schedules. You also get the add-on of these tags. So you get more of those 1-hour boxes, which is the box I use the most of, honestly. And then you have those third boxes and the half boxes and more checklist. And then you get additional washi. So besides that washi you already have, you have this to extend it out. So you have 3 more. And these are in different widths than what we had back here. So if you are layering or just extending this for another week, you do have that option. They are the same length. They may not look it, but they actually are. So they fit the A5 size perfectly. So you get more of this floral one, which is, it's kind of this one, but not really. I'm kind of looking at them. The green might be a wider version of this green and a smaller version of the pink. So it gives you a lot to work with. And then we move into like the monthly. So with the monthly, you do get this page, which has your monthly scripts in a bigger font. And she always gives you like a 3-month range. So you can use it for January, February, or March. This kit came in January. So that means I could use the monthly for then, I could use it for February, or I could use it for March. I think I might use it for March, but I'm not 100% positive yet. And then this is an any month kit. The reason you get those monthly scripts is so that you can put them on here and make your own. And with the addition of having those florals, you can add those in and just kind of make your own banner. Having this pink is a really nice background color. And then you get some more of these like half type boxes here. We have third boxes and quarter boxes, and they just fit really well, as well as the dots at the bottom. So it's a lot to be able to pull in for marking different things. And then you get this page, which has all of your number dots on it. And then you have these are squares. So you can fill in at the top and the bottom those empty, month squares that you always have on the monthly spread. If you want to, you also have some more washi strips for marking things like, bigger events or whatever you want. Lots more dots, a couple more checklists, and more boxes here as well. And then these are the daily kit pages. So it's a 2-page kit again. So we have all of our washi strips here, and these are sized so that they can cover up those quotes in the Hobonichi cousin. Like, they're really that size, even though this is a common planner kit. You can always, I saw some people who cut them down. You could also trace along this floral and make it more of a cutout if you wanted to. There's a lot of little things you can do with this. And then we have more checklists. There's a ton on the daily pages because I don't know about you, but I have lots of checklists on my daily pages. And then we have the dots. We also get all of the days of the week here. Now, one of those pages with the numbers probably goes to this to make sure you have it, but I'm not 100% positive because I don't know that I've ever ordered it without the additions. So you'll just want to double check on that one. And then this is the last part. This is the 2-page transparent kit. This is, I think, on her kits for the subscription, the only one that you can pick in the transparent. I'm trying to think. I know you can get the journaling kit in transparent normally. I don't know if you can get all of this in transparent, but I think she might have a couple of kits that you can get more pieces in the transparent, like the deco and things like that. But for her journaling kits, you get another Monday through Sunday. You get swatches that are really nice. You get some floral deco in here. You get more dots. These dots are larger than the ones that you get here because it's more of a universal size. You also get some torn washi strips, some torn paper, some half circles. I'm not always huge on the half circles, honestly, but that's okay. And then I love these little flags at the top. They're amazing. And you get more dots here, more torn paper. And you can always, if this is too much paper, it's easy to cut these down. Either, if you need it shorter this way or shorter the other way, they're easy to cut and make look nice. So just keep that in mind. But we get the stripes as well as more of the floral. If you have any questions about the subscriptions, let me know. I'll try to find out answers for you if I don't already know them. And I'm really enjoying using her kits. I like how affordable they are. They're very practical. And yet they bring a little bit of color and pop to your planner spread. The other thing I'll mention is that with the Tomo River paper performing the way it is, having stickers to write on, I may not be using my fountain pens on them, but if I don't want to see that bleed through, using a sticker is a great way to kind of have a workaround until I find something else. Just a final thought there for you guys. Anyhow, that's all I have today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button over there. And until next time, I'll see you real soon.